Welcome back to Let's Play Free Code Camp. Today we're going to be solving the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenge, Sorted Union. So the goal of this is to write a function that takes two or more arrays and returns a new array of unique values in the order of the original provided array. So in other words, we want to make sure that we take each item from the array, put it in order in our new array, and return all those items with no repeats and keeping them in the same order. So we see that we're going to be getting a variety of different amounts of arguments. So we might be getting one argument, two arguments. So we are going to need to iterate through our arguments. So first of all, there's a built-in object in JavaScript called arguments. So we can just say for arg in arguments, and it knows what we're talking about because that's a built-in object like the document or the window. And but you have to spell it right. That's critical. So then the argument object, that's just going to be each array passed in. So this would be one argument, this would be the second argument, and it's actually the index within the greater arguments array. So to get this 132, we would say arguments arg, like that. But what we're going to do is we're going to say for var x equals 0, x is less than arguments arg dot length x plus plus. So now we're going to iterate through each item in each of the arrays in the arguments array. And for that, we're going to have to define a function to put, or an array to put our final ones in. So we're going to say var fin is equal to an empty array. And then in that in our for loop down here, we're going to say if not fin dot includes, and just to make it a little easier to read, I'm going to say var next to be our next element in the array, arguments arg x. So we're going to say includes next. So if it doesn't include next in the array, then we're going to push it to the array, so like that. And then down here, we're just going to return fin, and let's run the tests. Arg is not defined. Okay, on what line is arg not defined? Unexpected token. Oh, we forgot to declare our argument. So you need to declare it when you're doing this for in style of loop. And now let's console.log our fin so we can see what actually made it in there, what we've done wrong, all that good jazz. So it should be that, but in fact it's that. For each argument, check every item in that argument. And if it's not in the current array, push it to the array. So this first one, why does it have a 0? Arg. Var next arg is equal to arguments arg. And let's just do a console. Yeah, down here. Console.log next arg. So you can just see everything that's going on. Okay. So then we're going to say next arg dot length. We run through our tests again. And it seems like the problem we're having is that it's iterating through the indexes and not the actual arguments right now. So we got to figure out why that's happening. So let's console.log next see what we're getting there. Next, 5, 4, 3, 1. Console dot log. Pushing. Next. Pushing 4, pushing 6. Oh, okay. Sorry, I see the problem. We're pushing X, we need to push next. So we were just pushing the index. That was the problem. There we go. Simple as pie. Thanks for watching.